Welcome to our video on overcoming the challenges of QuickBooks for growing businesses. Discover how NetSuite ERP, paired with our expert services, can optimize your operations, cut costs, and elevate performance to support your business growth. Are you stuck managing endless spreadsheets, juggling disconnected tools, and feeling the strain of outgrowing QuickBooks? As your business grows, outdated systems can hold you back. It's time to simplify and scale with NetSuite by Oracle, the all-in-one cloud ERP built to grow with your business. With NetSuite, you can manage finances, operations, and more in one seamless system. No more juggling multiple tools, just real-time insights and automation that save you time and money. Thousands of businesses have already made the switch to NetSuite. It's the ERP solution that doesn't just keep up with your growth, it drives it. Ready to transform your business? Contact ER Technologies today and see how NetSuite can help you scale effortlessly.